Good afternoon, or good morning, or even good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. My name is Harry Cuberti, and I lead Insurer Executive Research for Aite Novarica Group. I'm joined this afternoon by three IT leaders from insurer organizations that were recognized this summer in Aite Novarica's Insurance Technology Impact Awards programs for the core technology projects that they led at their respective companies. For those of you who aren't familiar with Aite Novarica Group, next slide, please. I've got a quick agenda slide here. I'm going to give a brief welcome and introduction. We're in the middle of that right now. Once the panelists have had an opportunity to introduce themselves, I'll give a quick overview of the Impact Awards program, explaining its history and the way the program and awards are selected. Then we'll give short overviews of each of these three Impact Award winning case studies. And then finally, we'll move forward into the panel discussion in earnest. Next slide, please. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Aite Novarica Group, thank you for joining us. We are a research and advisory organization that works with insurers and financial services institutions. We were formed from the merger of the heritage Novarica, which specializes in insurance, and the Aite Group, which serves the financial services industry, including retail and commercial banks and wealth management institutions. On our insurance practice side, our marquee product offering is our executive partner service, which functions sort of like a CIO down the hall. We offer advisory conversations with our EPS members, and they have full access to our research library. My role within that organization is leading our insurer executive research. I manage our research council, which is a knowledge sharing community of about 400 senior level insurance technology executives. They form the primary research body for our annual studies on insurer IT budgets and projects, capabilities, and emerging technology. And they also form the voting body for our Impact Awards program. Next slide, please. We have the great fortune today to be joined by three panelists who represent insurance organizations that were recognized with Impact Awards over the summer. First, we have from Ohio National, Kim McGregor. Kim, welcome to the panel.
Thank you for having me.
And from Encova Insurance, we also have Matt Wilcox, EVP Personal Lines. Matt, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Harry.
And from Tokyo Marine Highland, we have Davinder Gill, VP Architecture and Innovation. Welcome to the panel discussion, Davinder.
Thank you for inviting us.
Excellent. Well, welcome all three of you. Before we get started with the discussion, next slide, please. We'll give a quick overview of the Impact Awards program. Can continue on. The Aite Novarica Group Insurance Technology Impact Awards are designed to recognize insurer technology efforts that achieve real impact. At the beginning of the year, insurers submit details of technology projects that they've completed in recent years or the year before. They outline business needs, project team and plan, tools, challenges, and business impact. Aite Novarica Group then digests those submissions and produces single-page case study summaries that kind of capture the key details for each project, emphasizing how the effort created new capabilities, new efficiencies, or revenue. Then we distribute those case studies anonymously to members of the Research Council who review and vote on winning projects based on their experience as insurer technology executives. Again, the Research Council is composed of high-level insurance technology executives, principally CIOs. So these are Research Council members who are voting to recognize projects based on their own experience leading similar projects. Aite Novarica Group and solution providers who might be associated with the awards have no role in selecting them. It's all CIOs. We created these as a chance to recognize the successes of insurer IT organizations and recognize the efforts of technology teams